welcome back to my channel. Today we will be actually updating my office. So I know I never did a tour, or we never got to this part in the moving series, so I figured I would just have a full video dedicated to my office, kind of go over the initial setup, thought process, and then what I want to do now. So let's go ahead, jump right in. I just want to give you all a tour. So this is my current office in our new house in Washington, and I think for the most part the setup has been this way. I had my desk in this corner. The only thing that's different is we got a new printer and then I swapped it and put it on this side. It was initially over here. My planner cart was over here. Other than that, everything else is the same from the initial setup. So this office is a lot smaller than my last one. So we have the door that you come in on, this little wall space that goes right next to the closet. You can't put much here. So my husband and I got this, and I promise I'm wearing pants, just shorts, if you can see the reflection, but we got this stand off of Amazon. And so I had a TV in my last office and we were talking about putting one outside. And then we were joking around about when you were in elementary school and it was substitute teacher day and the TV would come in on a cart, right? And so we were looking up on Amazon, like different items or different options that they had, and saw this. And so we grabbed this and it's been working great. So we're able to, whenever we're outside, we have a barbecue, have people over, or if we just want to have two screens like for sports, just roll this wherever we want to roll it. And so we have an Apple TV attached to the back, or my Apple TV attached to the back of it. And it's just been really nice to have this. So this spends a lot of time outside, but it lives in here since it is technically my TV. We also don't have a spot for it, and this is really the only thing that fits here. So this is our little portable TV. And then here is the bookshelves. So if you remember these from my last office setup, I wanted to continue to use these because I love, right, the gold, how they all, like how this all looks together. However, I thought it wouldn't bother me, but it bothers me that it crosses over onto where the storage closet is. And so we are going to move things around. The initial plan was to have my desk over here. And then I don't know why, I think I just liked the idea of it over here better for some reason when my husband was putting it together for me, and then it ended up being in this corner. But either way, this will now go back, or this will go over here, which is what the initial plan was. And then we're gonna take out these bookshelves, which currently have all my books. I have academic books, Star Wars books. I have other books too that we are going to put in because I want to build a library. So I've been sharing about that on Instagram. That's kind of what's inspiring this full change. I've been wanting to take these out and we've been talking about it for a bit. It's finally cooler again. So everything on here will go on the shelves. So I do plan on having our books and our comics. Before, at our last house, we had a loft, and that's where we were able to put all of our comic books. Now we have to put them in my office because we don't have space really for the setup that we did have. If you followed my pop account, we had like our entire loft was bookshelves, which will be used for in here. But we had all our comic books and all of our pop collections. We're not gonna be able to bring out the full pop collection, but we will have all the comics. So I have a tentative idea of how I want to set up the bookshelves, but these will be replaced by the Billy, and I think it'll help. So as y'all can see, the wall color, I didn't pick this, it came with the house. And so I think having white bookshelves here will be really nice and it'll make it a lot lighter. So what we plan on doing is in this corner, I'm gonna have a half Billy here, one that's turned in the corner, and then either two and like a third half Billy. Haven't fully decided yet, but we do know like this is where the library is going to be, and then there's plenty of room to where the door opens to fit at least 4 bookshelves. We're going to try and get 5, technically 2 full and then 3 half. So that's the current plan for what's moving around. But for the desk area, I think this is always the most exciting part. Here's my planner cart. So we have all of our pens. I have my niece in here just to store additional planning supplies since I've been traveling. This is my Epi leather pochette. I'll use it as a bag, but for the most part, I've been using it to take pins and stuff with me on the go. I have inserts in my bins, and then a bunch of planner storage in some boxes, additional notebooks, planners, hole punch. Inside of each drawer in the desk is just, again, more planning and organization tools. So I got these at Target. I'll have everything linked below that I can link. And this just has all of my office supplies, sticky notes, most used stickers, different things like that. This has like pictures and stickers in it as well. Additional sticky notes. This has USBs and random stuff in there. The second one, I don't have too much in my drawers, to be honest with you guys. So this is all of my additional stickers, tape, and then additional storage. So these are my Erin Condren covers, a tripod, and then I don't even know what's in here. Oh, just additional things like ink and stuff. So yeah, we have that. Over here, we have my trash that's overfilled. Planner, so that is my Erin Condren Life Planner, my additional GM that currently I just have inserts in that I've been not using. And then my cash stuffing planner. And then these boxes have storage in them, so just inserts and different things like that and more stickers. And then on top, it's the same item. So I have my fan. This is my work laptop. That is my Daily Duo in my agenda cover from Louis Vuitton. My Mac. I have a HomePod, candle, tripod for filming that can move. My planner stays open right there. This is just like my prescription, whiteout, things that I need to quickly grab and have in one spot. My medium ring, notebooks. My iPad mini here in case I want to, like, if I'm using both screens. So this, and then also my work computer or my laptop, and I want to watch something, I'll put it on my iPad, so we'll do that. And then some water. So yeah, that is the current setup. I really like it. I like this part. It's just the bookshelves that need to be updated. I don't know, I'm just not 100% in love with this. So we're going to switch this up. Before I forget, I forgot to talk about the closet. So this is all storage. So we have things that I'm selling, backup comics because they all don't fit on there. Cricut, just documents, notepads, different things like that. Camera case, my luggage is in here. I'm taking out this cart. We will be putting that back into use. Right now it's just storing things, and then I have these containers. This is everything that was in my closet back home and just storage stuff. Like this is all like my childhood memories and stuff. Like that's an old scrapbook, for example. And then I just have a bunch of different planner things, and all that doesn't fit out here is in here. That's a problem for a different day. But I want to organize this a little more. So we're taking this out. I'll have my suitcase and the additional bags over here. But yeah, that is inside of the closet. All right, you guys, so here is the final look at the office. So it's actually a few weeks later. I've been trying to fill out the bookshelf more and more, but I absolutely love it. So we swapped the desk and the bookshelf, and y'all, I love it so much. So I really love this corner piece right here. So these are the IKEA Billy bookshelves. These are 2 full, 2 halves. This is angled, as y'all can see. It does come over a little bit of the window, but honestly, I'm fine with it. You can't even really tell, and I don't mind. So yeah, here are the bookshelves. I love it. So we have our comic collection down here, and then I've got my academic related books I'm using for my dissertation here, row to fill up. These are classic, like travel sized literature books, which I found at the Austin airport randomly, and got like most of some of my favorites and some I want to read, but we have those. This is actually a curtain holder. So I have one piece up over here. This is from Anthropologie and I love it. I'll have everything I can have linked below. All the links I can link below in the description. But here's one, I'll show you how it looks. Because this goes over and because there's not enough room, I can't put it up. But I thought it'd be cute decor and I wanted to get the set. So there's a left and a right. I didn't want to buy one just in case they sell out or they stop selling them or that they get discontinued. So that way I have two, but I love how it looks as decor as well. So this is the one that's supposed to be on the other side. And then another Anthropologie piece. I love this picture frame. So this is the images that it comes with. I'm gonna get some of our wedding photos printed out and put them in here. I have some planner storage, photo, and then we have books that, we read for fun, or I read for fun. So I have our Star Wars collection here. And then I love like the outward facing books. I've been looking up bookshelf decor nonstop and I would keep like changing it up here and there, but I love having some like books outward facing. So we have that with the Star Wars, have all the legend, or not all the legends, but we have some of the legend series, more planner storage, picture frame. And then as for the books that I read for fun, we have all dark romance. Actually, I think all of this is dark romance for the most part. Because that's right now probably my favorite genre. But we have primarily academic up here, minus like this series. But this is all primarily academic dark romance. These are actually all reverse harem books. This one isn't a reverse harem, but it's three people instead of two. So kind of goes in there. And then I have series together over here. This is my hockey shelf with my hockey puck that I'm really happy about. This is a piece from, these are from Target. I keep forgetting to mention things. These are from Target. This is from Anthropologie. I got this at Target. You can get it anywhere. You can get it on Amazon. It's a Polaroid camera. Some succulents that I got at Trader Joe's. Again, hockey puck, hockey books. My fantasy, so I have my Court of Thorns and Roses that started me getting into reading physical books here. I have another hockey shelf because y'all know I love hockey and sports in general. But I have this series here, just with a candle. And then some more reverse harem books are down here. Again, they are dark. And then I actually have my book marks in this little pen holder. Some more Star Wars books, storage, really cute mirror from Amazon. That's inspired by Anthropologie and I love it. So definitely have that linked below as well. But love all the decor and all the pieces and how they all how this looks together and it's coming out. I absolutely love it. So that is the bookshelves. We have my ruggable rug. Mira likes to lay out on this. It's padded because I had this under my standing desk at our old house. So Mira likes to come in here and just lay on it because it's somewhat padded. We have one of my carts. So this is typically my display cart. I have this letter sorter that I used. I put my laptop here, iPad, and then this I actually have been putting my Kindle on. So that way, if I don't need it, I have a storage place for it. Candle, tissues, just random items, remote for the TV. It's a little weird, but I ended up putting my printer on here and I actually like it, at least for now. I don't know where else to put it. I didn't want to use the stand and have it over here. And I like that it comes out the way it does because it fits perfectly with where the inserts come in. So I'm keeping the printer here, even if it's hanging out, even if it looks weird. It's functional, so I like it. I have this paper organizer so I can switch between my planner paper and just printing out regular sheets. My spirit planners and notebooks. So I have my second A5 that right now is just being used for storage. And then my second Epi Leather medium ring, that is my cash system, like cash envelope system. Up top, we have my new tripod that I got at this house. Absolutely love it. It's for filming. And this is where I get all my little natural light coming in. We have my camera that I use to record any planner or most videos, except for right now where I'm using my phone. I have this holder for my laptop. All this is the same from my previous office setup. I haven't been doing traveling since we moved, so I've been using my niece's in my office. So this has planner stuff in it, so I can take it in between here and the living room. And this has all of my like little odds and ends. So my prescription, I keep my AirPods in here. I attached my little key pouch here since I've been using my other one for keys. And so right now my AirPods are charging, but this is where they live and I keep them there. I have my medium ring, my planner, fan, and then this is my actual like storage cart. So we have planner storage, camera, candle that I like move up and down, backup insert, some stickers, more inserts, just additional planner and stationery items, and then pens, and then adaptable chargers. The drawers didn't change. I mean, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So they do probably need to be cleaned out a little more, but they haven't changed. So all of my storage is still in there. And then as for the closet, I cleaned it out a little bit. There wasn't much that needed to be done. I just need to go through most of it. So I have random things up here. The Cricut, again, additional back storage on inserts, second camera, suitcase, weights, the bins that have been here. And then I think that's the mount for the TV in the corner. So it's a storage closet, but at least it's a clean, functional storage closet. And then we have the TV still on the stand over here. And that is the office. So yeah, other than that, that is the new office. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.